Go get that. No, don't hurt Granny hand. Go get that.
Woohoo! Naya! You're such a big walker. Hey. What's in there? Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Come and see me now. Hi, B. Come and see me. Come on. Come see Granny.
Are you as interesting as that drawer though, Granny?
Come on.
How about you come see the camera? Yeah. Popsies! Good job, baby!
That doesn't surprise me that you fell down there. Do you see how much we made her walk?
Hi. Say hi, Dad. We're gonna send him a video. Hi, Dad. Dada. Yeah.